Hello everyone, how are you all children? I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to learn a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, Files and Folders. And I am your computer teacher Neetu. Okay children? So, let's start our chapter. As I told you, in today's video, we are going to learn a new topic, that is files and folders. So what is written here? Files. Have you seen files anywhere in your home, either in your cupboard or in your parents' cupboard? Yes, sometimes you have seen some files kept in your parents' cupboard. Okay, so have you opened and seen it? Yes, sometimes if you have not opened means just open and see what they have kept inside the files. Okay, a file may consist of some important papers or some important materials. Okay, same like this in computer also we are having some files and folders, or we are using files and folders. Okay, so we will see what is a file and what is a folder. So what is a file? Files are used to store songs, pictures, and so on. Whatever we save in a computer is stored in the form of a file. Okay. So, why we are using files means we are using files to store songs, pictures, videos, and so on. So, whenever you save something in computer, it is saved in the form of a file. For example, now I am going to draw something in paint. Okay, after drawing, how it will be saved? It will be saved in the form of a file. Otherwise, one more example I am giving. I am going to download a song from Google. Okay, after downloading it, how it will be saved in our computer? Yes, it will be saved in the form of a file. So have you all understood what is a file? Yes. Okay children. Now our next topic is folders. Okay, in computer, folders allows us to keep related files together. It helps to arrange files on a computer, making us easy to find important files quickly. So first I will give you an example. Okay, so I hope you all have a separate cupboard in your home, right children? Yes. So what you are keeping inside your cupboard? So sometimes you keep toys, books, clothes, and so on. Here, this folder acts like a cupboard. Okay, children, you can keep any number of files inside this folder because it acts like a cupboard. Okay, so that whenever you want to find any files quickly, you can get it from your folder. Now, see, see here, this is one drive, and here see so many pictures are here. Okay, see this yellow color book shaped picture is your folder, and all other only this yellow color picture is your folder, and all other, yes, images are your files. All these images are files, only this yellow color book shaped picture is your folder. Okay. Now, whenever you open your computer, you may get a page like this. This page is called a screen page. Okay, children. So, see here, there are so many small pictures inside your screen page. You can see so many pictures in your screen page. Okay, this is called as icon. Okay, see this computer, recycle bin, this is your icon. And see, usually the size is small, but you can change the size. Okay, this icon can be anything. It can be a folder. See, it can be a folder, it can be a software, anything. It can be a file also. Now if I want to open an icon, how I will open it? You want to double click it. Okay, if I want to open this computer, what I will do, I will double click and I will get a new page like this. Now I am going to open this level 2, this small icon I am going to open. How I will open? I will double click this so that I will get a new window like this. Okay children, this is a folder. See, as I told, this yellow color picture is your folder. When I open a folder, see what I am getting inside folder. I have two files. So this is folder, and whenever you open a folder, and whatever you are seeing inside a folder is your files. Okay, see, This is one example. See, this boy is wearing a bag, and inside bags there are so many books. So here this bag is a folder and these books are your files. Okay. And now how we can create a new folder? See, what is this picture? See, yes, when we open a computer, we will get one screen page like this. Okay. Now, how I will open a folder in this desktop? Yes, how I will open means, first of all, select, sorry children, how I will open it? First of all, move the mouse pointer to an empty space on the desktop. See, this is our mouse pointer and there are so many empty space in our desktop. So you can move this pointer anywhere in this empty space. Now right click, okay, with the right click from your mouse, and when you right click you will get so many options like this. From this you want to click this new icon, okay, sorry, new button. You want to click this arrow mark so that you will get one, yes, folder option. Click this folder option, so that what you will get, you will get a new folder like this, and below you can see one white color space. This is for naming it, okay. Whatever name you want to give, you can give it inside. One more time I will show you. See, whenever you open a computer, you will get a screen page like this. If you want to create a new folder in your desktop, see what you will do. Move the mouse pointer onto an empty space on the desktop. Then what you will do, right click. Click once on the right button of the mouse. Right click means, see, from the mouse give a right click, and now you may see so many options like this. From here click on this new folder. You click this and you will get so many options like this, and from here the first one you want to click this folder button, and what you will get, yes, you will get a new folder like this, and below you can see one white color space. This is for mentioning your name. Your name means whatever name you want to give, you wish to give for this folder, you can give. For example, my name is Needu. If I want to wish to give my name to this folder means, I will write here Neetu. Okay children. Now next topic is moving files into folder using drag and drop method. Okay, how we can move a file into a folder means, see, this is a file. I want to place this file inside this folder. How I will do? First I will press the left mouse button. See, with the help of mouse I will press the left button. Then what I will do? Yes, move or drag the mouse pointer to the folder. See, I told no, press the left mouse button. Now I am clicking this file and I am dragging and placing it inside the folder. Okay, at last what you want to do? Release the mouse button. What will happen? This file will be copied inside the folder. This everything when you come back to school, we will do it practically. Okay children. At last I have given you one video. You can see that video also. Now next one is reorganizing icons on a desktop. How we will reorganize means, see, this is your home page or screen page. See, this is your screen page. Now in my desktop there are two folders and so many files are there. 1 2 3 4 5 files are there, and I have two folders. Now what I want to do means, I want to move all these files inside these two folders. How I will move? See, select the icon, whatever icon you want to icon or files you want to select. Before I showed you how to move files into folder using drag and drop method. That method we are going to apply here. Yes, now drag the icon, whatever, yes, files you want to keep it inside the folder. Just drag the icon on the desktop using the mouse, then release the mouse so that it will be copied inside the folder. See, everything is dragged and moved inside this folder, so that now we have only two folders. All the files are copied inside. Okay children. So See, after this, I have given you one video. You can watch the video also. If you have any doubt, you can ask the children. And when you come back to school, we will do this everything practically. If you have a laptop or computer in your home, you can try this in your laptop or PC. Okay, children, take care of yourself. Bye.
Hello friends, today we will see that how to create a folder. Okay, like this is my desktop, and if suppose I wanted to create any new folder, so I will click the right button. Please make sure the right button, not left, right? So when you will click the right button, it will show you this screen. So as you can see there again there is a multiple option, so you need to go this new, and you can see that when your cursor reach to this button, there is an option called folder. Click on the folder, and now you can see that there is a small icon of folder is present, and you wanted to give any name of that folder, like I have given the name of this folder as desktop, or you can say like you can give download. Okay, so this is how you can create a folder. And if you wanted to save any file in this folder, so you just simply click on this file and drag down to the folder, download folder. Now you can see there is a file available in this folder. Okay, and now we will see that